In this video, I will show you how to change your ChatGPT password, so make sure to follow along to learn how to update your account password and keep your ChatGPT login secure. Also, before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To change your ChatGPT password, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the ChatGPT website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto your profile just down here. From the menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto settings. Now, once you've got your settings window opened, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto security. And from here, if you come up to the top, you can add a password or change an existing password by clicking here. At this point, it might ask you to verify your account by sending a verification code to your email. So you want to do that, and after you've done that, you'll be able to change your password. So just simply enter your password into the box here and re-enter the new password in the box beneath. Make sure your password does contain at least 12 characters, and once that's done, you can click on to continue. Once you've clicked on to continue, it's just going to take a minute or two to add or change your password. And once that's done, it's going to take you back to the ChatGPT dashboard where your password would now have been changed. So that is how to change ChatGPT password. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.